Okay. Right. So yesterday, what we were doing yesterday's class, please take out your books and what the program we have written yesterday was
We
what
have wrote the up to the function create, sir.
we have created the function, right? Okay,
Yes,
right. So everybody have got that program with you. Please open that program. Hmm? Then what we'll do is today I'm going to that is show you how. Okay, let us take that this is what is your memory. Can you see this? Okay,
yes, sir.
right. So let us assume that this is going to be a memory locations, right? These or I'll draw. Okay. So everybody have opened your notes and seen the program. Now we'll go ahead with that. I'll give you example, right? How it is going to work. 10th April 2021. Okay, let us consider that I am taking the memory and showing you how it works, right? Okay. Hmm? Okay, when we started with the program, what are the variables which started declared first? All that variables will take. Okay, what are the variables which got declared first? Tell me now. Advanced, everyone in the program. First, what was
Sir,
declared?
from the starting was from the void function,
No,
sir.
no. You should start from void main onwards. We'll start. Okay, but before that, that is actual
Okay,
program. I'm
okay.
talking about the program.
N equals to 0, sir. We declared.
So we have declared n is equal to 0. Let us assume that n is a variable which is declared and is at available at 3180. Assume that it is available at 310. What is the value, initial value of this?
0.
0. Everybody got it or not? Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then what is that we have declared?
Pointer, sir. Start pointer equals to null we declared.
And
Pointer last.
okay, one start pointer we declared. Right. Assume that start pointer is here. And there is one last pointer which is declared. Let us just assume I'm different locations because memory is going to be allocated at different locations. Start, for example, is allocated at 5832, right? And last is located at for example 6120. Now tell me, last is going to take how many bytes? And
2 bytes.
right, it is going to take 2 bytes, right? 6120 and 6121, both are going to be occupied by right. And similarly start is going to take how many bytes? 58
3.
assume, right, these both is
Start declared
right. And what is start value is equal
null.
to you have taken? Right. It is null. Okay. And what is the last? Garbage address.
Garbage address.
Garbage address. Is the diagram clear till now? Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. That means at this position, we have declared 2 pointers, right? Which are start and last. Start, these both are the global declarations. It is not limited to a particular function. And n also is a global declaration. Is this clear as of now? Right. Now let us go for the creation of the nodes, what is being done. Right. Okay. Now that means, now let us take a diagram like this. One by one, how it gets created, how it is going to change. I'm going to draw the diagram here also. Let us assume that there is one first, initially only this is the first step, right? Only one start is created, and one last is created. Last is at which location? Tell me. Last is at 6120. And what is start located at location? Start location, you tell me.
582.
5832. What is the value which is going to be stored in start now?
Null, sir.
Null. And what is going to be stored in
Garbage.
garbage there? Right? This is what is the first step. Is this clear? Now let us go for the second step. Right? Now everybody please go back to your create function now. Everybody please go back to your create function. Create function, please. Can you see the create function, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the create function now? Tell me.
So we declared one new node pointer.
Everybody, what is the create function? In the create function, when we created, go on to the create function, we have declared a pointer by the name called node, that is a star new node. So there is one pointer, one more pointer which got declared, that is, let us take, it is the first step only, one more, this one, new node. But this new node is of which function? Of a create function. Okay, got it or not? Right. And for example, this is located at 5 1 5 1 6 2. For example, this is new node I'm taking. This is create function. New node is located at 5162 and 5163. Okay, so this is what is the initial value of this? Now tell me, everyone.
Garbage.
Garbage address. And this is limited to, this is visible to which function? Only
Function.
create function. Only create function. As of now, the memory is clear till now. Any doubts in the memory you have now? Any doubts in the memory? No. Right. Now let us go for the second step. Now, when that is when we are going by the step by step, I have declared int value. What we have declared? We have declared int value. Okay. So int value. For example, this is a create functions value is declared at, for example, 5200, 5201. What is the value? Create value. So this is create. And what is the address of the, what is the value of this value? It is a
Garbage.
garbage value. Is this clear till now? Okay. Right. Now, after this, what did we declare? We have declared a char C. Char C. So, of create function, I have declared a C a function, this one, which is at, for example, 5301. Right. What is the value of this char C? What do we tell me? Garbage value. Garbage value. Is this clear till now? So create function C is being created, create function value is created, create function new node a pointer is being created. Is this clear? Create value. Value is what? Create function value is what? An integer. Create function C is what? A character. Create function new node is what? A pointer. Pointing towards which data type or it stores struct S list. Okay, struct S list. Okay, or aliased name is what? Node. Allies name is node. Is the diagram clear till now? Right. Now, what was the next step we had written there? Do printf enter the data. Enter the data. So you are entering the data. Okay, for example, I entered 20. I entered 20. Where am I storing this ampersand value? So I am going to overwrite garbage value with 20. Is this clear, everyone, as of now? As of now, is this clear or not? I want answer yes or no.
Yes,
People should
sir.
answer. Right. Is somebody, all are our students or somebody else is there? This kind of nonsense is coming up nowadays. All are our students only. Can you see the screen? Is everybody our student?
Someone is there, sir.
Who is
Actually,
that?
Sir, one member is there, sir.
Who
Starting
is?
with double B2.
Ah,
double B21 is sir. Someone.
double.
Sir, sir, I'm 6648 Ajita. I don't have an option to rename myself, sir. This is my black book ID.
66.
6648, sir.
So where is your name, Amma?
BB21A00137.
Where is that? Okay. I'll give you an option of rename. Yeah, what is your roll number?
6648, sir.
48. Name?
Ajita.
Ajita.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. So anybody else? Because if you see somebody entering like that, you please let us know so that we can just throw them out. Right. Okay. We will not allow such kind of students creating problem and disturbing our class. Okay. Right. Yes. Trying to enable the waiting room. Okay. Right. Yeah. Enable waiting room. Right. So if anybody misses it, okay. Spurti, your mobile is ringing. Okay, can you hear me now? So where are we? Till here, is it clear? Everyone has understood, right? So this is step number one we have done. In the step number that is till printf enter the data, scanf we have stored it in value. Now we are saying new node is equal to node star malloc size of node. Yes or no? So what did we write there? Node star malloc size of the node, right? Everybody have seen that your nodes. Is it? Did you notice or not? New node is equal to node star malloc size of node. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ye- Yes. Now, what does this do? This creates a block of memory. How much block of memory is going to be created by this? What is the size of this node? Size of the node is how much? How much is the size of the node? We have created node is nothing but struct S list. What is the struct S list size? One is int data is 2 bytes and Pointer is going to take 2 bytes. 2 plus 2,
4
4
bytes.
bytes. 4 bytes of memory. A block is going to get created. Okay, block gets created. Now this block may be created anywhere. For example, assume that the block got created at this particular place with 6200 is a base address. This is the block which got created, right? This is the work got created, right? What is going to be stored in new node now? New node is going to store what now? Tell me. Instead of garbage address, it stores the 6200. 6200. So 6200 is going to be stored now. Are you getting the point or not? So 600 200 6200 is stored means the link will get established between new node and this particular block. What is the block of 6201 1 2 and 3? This complete this one. So this is one node which got created now, right? This is the first node which got created. Okay, this is the first node which got created. Are you getting the point or not? Okay, so but we are not naming this node. We are not naming this node as of now. How can I access the data part of this? There is a data part is there, and this is 4 bytes. If you take it, this is the first byte, second byte, third byte, fourth byte. 4 bytes are there. For example, this is the first byte, second byte, third byte, fourth byte. In the first 2 bytes, for example, what would be there now? Tell me. First 2 bytes data would be there. How to access this particular data now? Tell me. Data part. How it is being accessed? It is arrow data. But how to access arrow data? Where it is this base address stored in? Base address is presently stored in new node. So how to access the data part of this? New node arrow data. New node arrow data. And how to access the pointer part of this? Tell me how to access the pointer part of this new node arrow PTR. New node arrow PTR. So that is the reason the 2 steps which you can see is new node arrow data is equal to value. What is the value which is there now? Tell me. What is the value which is there? 20. 20 is going to be overwritten with this particular value which was there. Actually, this was what garbage address was there, right? This garbage value is there. This is overwritten with 20, and that next what is that garbage address which was there is overwritten with, can you see, new node arrow PTR is equal to null. Null, we have done null, right? So what is happening now here? The data part is being assigned and null. So it is like this. I'll say second step. This is start, which was originally it is null. A new node got created. Block of memory got created, which is called new node. Okay, which is not new node. Okay, the address is stored in, that is 6200, right? 6200 is being stored in the new node. There is a one more pointer. Don't forget the pointer, please. There is a pointer. There's a pointer, new node pointer. This is a new node. I'm just writing it as new node. Actually, I will not write. There is no name for this. Okay, this is at which location now? Tell me. It is at 61. What is the location it is created? 6200 it got created. And where is my new node located? Actually, tell me. It is at 5162 it is located. Where is my start located? Tell me. Start is located at, I've given you the values. What is, where is start located? At 5832. And there is last also. Last. Okay. Where is last located now? Tell me. Where is last located? Okay. It is having a value. And last is located at 5. Where is it? 6120 it is located. It is having garbage address as of now. This is having null, and new node is having, we have assigned the new node value is what now? Tell me, everyone. What is new node value? Tell me. New node value. Please tell me what is the new node value. What is the new node value, please? What is the value which is here? This is a pointer. New node is a pointer.
20, sir.
Huh? Can you
20.
this is new node is located at 51 new node is located at 5162, but what is it storing? Can you see what is it
6.
storing?
Sir, we can't see, sir. That is 6 something.
6200. It is 6200, right? Why? Sorry, it is 6200. Why it is 6000? This is the block of memory which was created. This was the block of memory which got created. Can you see the arrow which I am pointing? Everyone, can you see the arrow which I am pointing? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah, this is the block of memory which got created, which is at 6200 is a base address. So this 6200 is stored here. 6200 is stored here. So I'll say that this new node is storing 6200 as of now. It is storing 6200. Okay, it is storing 6000. Now what is happening? That means a link got established between this. Actually presently it is to how to arrow this data part. Now tell me how to arrow access the data part of this particular no block of memory which was created. How to access it is 6200, right? It is right, right. So it is nothing but how it is identified. This pointer name is identified by new node. So new node arrow data will give you this. New node arrow PTR will give you this value. Is this clear? So what is the new node arrow data? We have written value 20. So this is 20. And what is new node arrow PTR we have written? It is null. It is null. Okay, now what will happen? We are establishing the now we are going to see whether this node which is added, whether this node which is added is the first node to be added, or is it the second or third or fifth or 10th or like that. Okay, let us look at it. How do we find that whether it is the first node or not? Is by checking the value of the start. What is the value of start which I have written here on the board? Tell me what is the value of start which has been written on the board? It is nothing but what? Null. If the start is equal to null, then this is the first node. First node. Okay. Then link it with the, how are we going to link? If this is the first node which comes in, this is first node as well as it is the last node also. It is also the last node. So this particular address 6200 where it is located has to be assigned to start, has to be assigned to what? Last also. That means the link has to be established like this. And also the last, also the link is going to be established. Got it or not? Right? Now tell me, how do we assign the value of this address, right? 6200 to start and as well as last. Where, how do we assign the 6200? Where it is located? Where is this value stored? Tell me. Where is this value stored? 6200 is the base address of this block of memory. Where it is stored temporarily now, as of now? Everyone, please tell me where it is stored. Everyone, please unmute and speak. Everyone, please unmute.
In new
Where,
node.
where is this 6200 stored? Everyone, please speak
New,
out.
New node.
New
New node.
node.
New
It
node.
is available in new
New
node.
node.
No, not.
So what are we going to give now? Start is equal to
New
new
node.
node. And last is equal to
Again new node.
new node.
Again.
Is this clear now? Everyone understood?
Sir.
Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is how. Now this null will change to, what is the value? 6200. And this garbage address changes to 6200. Is this clear now, everyone? Yes or no? Understood or not? Right? Now this is the first time you have done, right? So after this, since if condition is going to satisfy, if condition gets satisfied, so this particular new node start is equal to null. If everybody see that program, if start is equal to null, you have taken. If start is equal to null, when you have taken, it is true. Start is equal to new node and last is equal to new node got Done. Now let us go for the next node. Next node, right? So how the second node, third node gets created? Let us see. So there the else part did not get executed. Afterwards, what got executed? N plus plus got executed. Everybody, can you see n plus plus? Yes or no? What is n plus plus? N plus plus 0 is the value now, as of now. What is 0 plus 1? 1. So what is the value of n now? Changes to 1. Can you see the memory now? How it changed to 1, right? Okay. Now, after this, what is the statement which is there? Printf. Would you like to continue? Would you like to continue? You said yes. You said yes. Would you like to continue? You said yes. So garbage value of C changes to Y. Changes to Y. Right? And since it is Y, it will once again go to do. Right? For where does it go? It goes back the loop. It goes back to the starting do. And in the do, what is the first statement which is there? Enter the printf, enter the data. So once again, for example, I entered 30. I entered 30. So which value gets overwritten now? Tell me, everyone, where we are going to write overwrite? This 20 gets overwritten with 30. 20 gets overwritten with 30. What is the next step we have now? Tell me, everybody, please see. It is new node is equal to node star malloc size of the node. That means once again a block gets created. Once again a block gets created. Once again a block gets created. For example, the block gets created. A block got created. And this block is, for example, is located at 5900. It is located at 5900. For example, this is the place where it got created, 5900 and 5901, 02 and 03. This complete block got created. Okay, this is the second one node which got created. Now where is this base address? 5900 is a base address. Now where is this base address going to be stored? It is assigned to new node pointer. So where is the new node pointer? Here is a new node pointer. But new node has already got 6200. But is this of any use, this 6200 for us now? This is basically temporarily, this new node is used only for storing the address of the base address of the new node which got created. So the new node which got created is now this particular block get created. So what is the base address of this? 5900. So I want to override the 6200 is going to be overwritten with 5900. 5900. Now are you getting the point or not? Yes. Now how to access the data part of this particular this one? Now tell me how to access the data part of this new node arrow data. And what is the pointer part? New node arrow PTR. So you see what is that we have written? New node arrow data is equal to how much value? Value is how much now? Tell me. 30. So this 5900, whatever is the garbage address which is there, overwritten with 30. This is overwritten with 30. And the what is overwritten, and one more thing, what is overwritten with this one, next one, this is null, right? Address is null. Garbage address which was there, garbage value which was there is 30. Garbage address is overwritten with null. Now you have created this one. You have created one more node. Now this node has to be linked to the what is that called? It has to be linked. Are you getting the point or not? It has to be linked. So how the linking has to be done? Already existing. I'll draw here. Existing is start. What is the start value now? Tell me. What is the start value? Everyone, what is the start value? It stores the address of the first node. What is the address of the first node? 6200. So 6200 a node exists. 6200 a node exists with the value what? 20. And remember what is the address which has got now? Here it is having null. As of now it has got null. Now last is there. There is one last also. Let us take last here. Last is there. What is last having? Same 6200. and linked. How is the linking being done? It is linked to this. Is this clear, the diagram as of now? Okay. Now what are we doing? We are having a new node, another node which got introduced. And what is the location of this 5900? 5900. And what is the value we have already taken? 30. And what is the address field it is having? Null. And where is this particular new node address which is there? Actually, it is new node, right? Which originally it was 6200 overwritten with 5900. Overwritten with 5900. Now tell me how to link this particular 5900 has to be put here. Yes or no? So first of all, now let us go back to the program. If we go back to the program, it will check first that if start is equal to null. Is start equal to null? What is the start value? 6200. Is 600 to 6200 is equal to null? Is it true? False. So the if part won't get executed. If part won't get executed. So what is going to get executed now? Right? Else part gets executed. So in the else part, you see, what is that you have to do now? Remember, in the else part, this particular node now has to be linked with this particular node. That means the address 5900 here has to be overwritten here in the null. Then the link will establish. But where is this 5900 stored in? It is stored in new node. So new node has to be assigned. But how to access this particular node? You don't know whether it is a first node or second node or third node. Remember, in the else part, you don't know which is the node, but it is a last node. It is always the last node. You are adding the nodes in the last. So this is the last node. How to access this particular part of that is the pointer part of this particular last node. Last node address is stored in last. So we can say last arrow ptr. Last arrow ptr is equal to new node. Last arrow ptr is equal to new node. Last arrow ptr is equal to new node. Then this particular null value, whatever is there, is overwritten with tell me what is it is overwritten with? 5900. 5900. So a link got established. A link got established. Right? Now is this the last node or this is the last node? Which one is the last node? The node which is added now becomes the last node. So this particular link which was existing has to be broken. This link has to be broken, and this link has to be established to this particular node. Yes or no? So how do we do that? This 5900 has to be overwritten here also. 5900 has to be overwritten there. So where is 5900? Now tell me again in the new node. So what should be done? Last is equal to new node. Last is equal to, last is the pointer, is equal to new node is the pointer. That's all. Last is equal to new node. Then the link gets established and the second node got created. Similarly, if you go for the third node now, what will happen? Third node also, the if start is equal to null will fail the value, right? It will fail. Then it goes to the else part, and this is the last node. You see, this is the last node. It's stored in last. So how to access this address part? Last arrow ptr, that should be equal to new node. That is going to be linked, and the new node whatever comes up, right? Another node comes up, right? Assume another node comes up. That is what is going to be done, right? And last is, so this is how the addition of nodes, that is the nodes are getting created. So Any doubt you have, you can ask, please. This is the third one step. Any doubts you have, you can ask, please. Yes, students, any doubts you have, you can ask. Any doubts? Lakshmi Narayana 6631, please speak out. What did we discuss? Lakshmi Narayana, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what did we say? What is that we are looking? Yes. చెప్పు ఏం మాట్లాడినాము ఇప్పటివరకు? ఎట్లా యాడ్ చేయాలి ఏంటి అన్నది? ఎస్, మాట్లాడరా లక్ష్మీనారాయణ.
సార్.
ఏం నిద్రపోతున్నావా?
నో సార్.
చెప్పు ఏం చేసినాము? వాట్ డిడ్ యూ డూ? Where is your program? Switch on your camera and show me what is the program you have written. Did you draw this diagram also? Everybody, are you drawing the diagram when I am drawing? And where this value of 6,200, this null value changes into 5,900. Then only the link gets established, right? And also the create new node got 5,900. The last, where is last actually? Last garbage address was 6,200. And thereafter it is 5,900. Is that clear? లక్ష్మీనారాయణ నిద్రపోకు. నువ్వు నీ ఇది ఆన్ చేయి, నువ్వు కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయి, చూస్తాను నేను ముఖం. దగ్గరికి ముఖం చూపించి దగ్గరికి ఇట్లా. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? నిద్రపోతున్నావా? అడిగిన సమాధానం చెప్పవేంది? నీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూపించు రాసింది. ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూపించు రాసింది. నోట్స్ రాయలేదు. నేను చెప్పిందంతా నిన్న మొన్న అన్ని కూడా 10 సార్లు రాసి రేపు చూపిస్తావు. లేకపోతే ఎల్లుండి నాకు పొద్దున చూపించలేదు అనుకో, సస్పెన్షన్ ఆర్డర్ రెడీ చేస్తాను. ఇది అర్థమైందా? నోట్స్ రాయలేదు మరి ఏం నిద్రపోతున్నావా గాడిద? I am telling, randomly I'll ask the people to show the notes. ఇయ్యాలే వచ్చిండు 0217 ఛానల్ మళ్ళా వచ్చిండు. గణేష్ 6233. గణేష్, unmute yourself and show me your face. Ganesh,
sir.
Show your face. Show your notes also.
Sir, notes రాయాలి.
నోట్స్ రాయలేదు కాబట్టి నువ్వు కూడా 10 సార్లు రాస్తావు మొత్తం ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఒక్కొక్క 1 by 1 అందరిని అడుగుతా, అందరు చూపిస్తామంటారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఇప్పుడు అప్పటి లోపల రే ఎవడని ఇప్పుడు రాసినావు అనుకో, గొప్పను నేను అదైనా చాలు నాకు. We'll go 1 by 1. All right, roll number 211, Vinith Gaud. ఎక్కడున్నావు? ఆన్లైన్ వినీత్ గౌడ్. నిద్రపోతున్నావు అంటే నువ్వు లెక్కలే రాయనట్టే, అయిపోయా. రైట్. అరే who are the CRs? Make a note of the numbers, those who have not written the notes. Who is the CRs? CR, please speak out.
Yes, sir.
Evaru? Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Make a note of the roll numbers 211, 0211. Vinith Gaud has not written the notes. He is not answering. Okay. Next 212. Pranav. Pranav
Yes,
is
sir.
also. ఏది చూపించు. ప్రణవ్ మాట్లాడు, చూపించు.
సార్ నోట్స్ రాయలేదు సార్, కానీ రఫ్గా రాసిన సార్.
రఫ్గా రాసినావా? ఎందుకు రాసినావు రఫ్గా? అయితే వీంది కూడా నోట్ చేయి. రోల్ నెంబర్. కార్తీక్, మేక్ ఏ నోట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫెలో ఆల్సో. నెక్స్ట్ 213. 0213. 213 రోల్ నంబర్. ఏం నిద్రపోతురా? వెంటనే ఆన్సర్ కావాలా? రోల్ నంబర్ 0213. వాడు కూడా రాయలేదురా, నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకో. రోల్ నంబర్ 213. 214.
Sir, 214 options.
215.
Sir, I have written, sir. సార్ నేను రాసాను సార్, కాకపోతే నేను మా ఆంటీ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను సార్.
నువ్వు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు అన్నది నాకు అనవసరం. నువ్వు ఆంటీ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నావా, అంకుల్ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నావు, ఐ విల్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్. రోల్ నెంబర్ 215 కూడా నోట్ చేసి పెట్టవా? 216. నో మోర్ డిస్కషన్స్. 216
Not written, sir.
నోట్ చేసుకు
Not written, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్. నాట్ రిటర్న్. 216. 217.
Sir, not written, sir.
రోల్ నెంబర్ 217. అసలు చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత కాలేజీకి వస్తున్నాను. రోల్ నెంబర్ 218. 218 ఎవరు మాట్లాడమ్మా? రోల్ నెంబర్ 218. ఎస్ సారా? ఎక్కడ వినబడతలేదు, నీ ముఖం కూడా కనబడతలేదు. కొంచెం గట్టిగా మాట్లాడు. 218 కూడా రాయలేదు, నోట్ చేసుకో. మీరు నిద్రపోతున్నారా? బుద్ధి ఉందా మీకు అందరికి? రాస్తా ఉంటే నోట్ చేసుకోవాలన్న బుద్ధి జ్ఞానం లేదా మీకు? ఇడియట్స్ ఎవరు చెప్తారు మీకు ఇదంతా? టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ చదివినా అర్థం కాదు. ఫెలోస్. 219.
Sir, I wrote, sir.
Where is that? Show me. ఇప్పుడు రాసినావా? సరిగా చూపించరా?
Just I wrote off, sir.
ఆఫ్ రాసినావా? వైడ్ మేనే రాసినట్టున్నావు.
No, sir. I wrote complete program yesterday.
Where is that program of create? Create function ఏది? క్రియేట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏది? క్రియేట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏది? కనబడతలే. 219 కూడా రాయలేదు, సగమే రాసిండు. 220. 220 రోల్ నెంబర్ వాడు కూడా లేడు. I will not admit any student who is not with the roll number. Who is this fellow? Vishal Reddy. Vishal Reddy అన్నవాడు ఎవడన్నా మన క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాడా?
6243.
6243. వాడికి మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి, నువ్వు రోల్ నెంబర్ తో వస్తేనే అడ్మిట్ చేస్తాను అంటాను సార్. రైట్, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 6625. 6225. ఫస్ట్ 6225 చెప్పు. 6225 చూపించండి నోట్స్.
Sir, మొత్తం half wrote, sir. I'll also
హాఫ్ నోట్. నీ పేరు నువ్వే నోట్ చేసుకో. వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్. నెక్స్ట్ 6226.
Sir, I didn't wrote.
వెరీ గుడ్. 6227.
సగమే రాసిన, సార్.
సగమే రాసినావు అంటే ఇక రాయనట్టే లెక్క. 6228.
Not written, sir. Program ఒకటి రాసిన.
ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఒకటి రాసినావా? ఏది చూపించు, చూపించు, టైం పే చేయకుండా. లేదు. భరత్ గారి నెంబర్ కూడా రాయి. ఏంది, ఏం చూపిస్తున్నారా? ఏమన్నా వకీల్ సాబ్ చూపిస్తున్నావు ఆ సినిమా నాకు? అరే వాడిది కనబడుతుందా? ఇది మొత్తం ఇది చేద్దాం. పిన్ని ఆగు, వీడిని పిన్ చేస్తా. కనబడుతుందా? ఓకే. భరత్ కనబడుతుందా? కార్తీక్
కనపడుతుంది సార్.
నీకు కనబడుతుందిరా, కనబడుతుందిరా. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 29. 28 సహానా చూపిసు.
1 minute, sir.
ఏదమ్మా కనిపించలే నాన్న ఓకే రైట్ గుడ్ ఓకే గుడ్ 6230
Sir, I wrote only half, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ యూ రైట్ వీంది కూడా నోట్ చేయ జశ్వంత్ది సగం రాసిండంటారు నోట్ చేయి నంబర్ 231 6231 Kavyasri did not return. Very good girl. 6232
Half written, sir.
హాఫ్ రిటర్న్ అంటే ఇక లెక్కకు అంతే ఇక అయిపోయినట్టే 6233
రాయలే, sir.
రాయలే వెరీ గుడ్ గణేష్ 6234 34 absent రైట్ వీడిని కూడా నోట్ చేయరా 6234 6235
No, sir.
నో అశ్రిత వెరీ గుడ్ 6236
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
show me Navya very good good right amma okay good 6237
Written, sir.
ఏ చూపించు నవీన్
1 second, sir.
yes
Sir, this
good
is the program.
yeah good
Create
Right.
a void create and that.
okay good 6238 38 లేదు రాసుకోరా నెంబర్ రాయ్ 6238 నెక్స్ట్ 39 రాయలే ఈశ్వర్ ఈశ్వరుడు రాస్తాడు రా నీ ప్రోగ్రాము రేపు పొద్దుగాల ఎగ్జామ్లా లేకుంటే గణేశుడు రాస్తాడా నీ పైన గణేశుడు ఉన్నాడు ఇద్దరు నెంబర్లు నోట్ చేయరా ఈశ్వరుడిది గణేశుది కూడా 6239 నెక్స్ట్ 6240
Not written, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ మహేందర్ నాట్ రిటర్న్ ఎంత బాగా చెప్తున్నాడు 6241
సార్ రాసే సార్
సాయితేజ చూపించు
ఓకే సార్
వెరీ గుడ్ నైస్ ఓకే గుడ్ నాన్న రైట్ 6242 వెంకట్ రాయలేదు 6242 నోట్ చేసి పెట్టు 6243 6243 43 కూడా రాయలేదు నోట్ చేసి పెట్టు 44 6244
Yes, sir. I wrote, sir.
శృతి షో
Sir. Program starting.
yes good create program
Yes, sir. Void create.
okay good right
And this today's.
next 6245
written, sir.
where is that show me 6245 Deepak I can't see you 6245 Deepak I can't see you
Turn on my video, sir.
I'm not able to see so I'll make it as you have not written okay 6246
Yes, sir. I wrote, sir.
where is your 6246 463 Priya show
1 second.
Shri Priya, we can't see your video.
Sir, now, sir.
Switch on your video. When I started checking, you see, people have left. See? When we have started, what was this one? Strength we had?
55 or 50.
50. Now only 47. So whoever are absent, present and absent means they have not at all written. So they will also write, whoever is absent also will write 10 times. Now they can't say that I have not written. I have written the this one. No, what happened, Sri Priya?
Yes, sir. I on, sir.
Yes, show me. Yes. Next page. Create program.
Listen, sir. I create.
Okay, good. Then Shrija, 47. 6247. 6247 is absent.
Sir.
Yes. Show
Sir,
me
this-
correctly program. 6247.
Sir.
Ah.
And this is today, sir.
Show your face.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay, good. Next, 6248.
No, sir.
No, sir. Very good. Next is 6625.
Sir, not written, sir.
Very good. Make a note. Fatafat, tondar Karthik note చేసి పెట్టు. 6626.
I wrote only half, sir.
Half అంటే రాయనట్టే. Right. Next 6627.
Not written, sir.
Half written, not written. Right. 6628.
Sir, create, I didn't write. The rest of all I wrote.
Ah?
Create, I didn't write. The rest of all I wrote.
What is next of all? Only wide main. Okay. So not written. 6628 also not written. Sushma. Next 6629.
Not written, sir.
నాట్ రిటర్న్ వెరీ గుడ్ అంటే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరు రాసినట్టు లేరు అంతా రోబోస్ రాస్తారు అనుకుంటారా మీరు 6630
Sir, I written today's work only, sir.
టుడేస్ వర్క్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ క్రియేట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వెర్ ఇస్ క్రియేట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్
Sir.
క్రియేట్
Sir, I written half only, sir. Only starting, sir. Only starting only, sir.
నో ఐ వోంట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ 6631
No, sir.
నో 6632
Not written.
6633 33 చూపించు నీరజ్ వెరీ గుడ్ అది క్రియేట్ మై వైడ్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ క్రియేట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎస్ రైట్ గుడ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే రైట్ వీడు ఒక్కడు రాసిండు ఇప్పటివరకు ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ క్లాస్లో 34
రాయలేదు సార్
35 35
సార్ మెమరీ అలొకేషన్ పెట్టరా సార్ ఒకసారి
ఏందిరా ముందర 356635 అంటే మెమరీ అలొకేషన్ అంటావు సిక్స్ 35 చెప్పు రాయలేదు 6635 లేడు 36 లేడు నాట్ రిటర్న్ సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మేడం మానస నాట్ రిటర్న్ అంటున్నావు 37 6637 నాట్ రిటర్న్ 6638
Not written, sir.
6638 not written 6639 Charita not written 39
Option, sir.
absent అయితే నాట్ రిటర్న్ రే ఎవరైతే అబ్సెంట్ వాడు నాట్ రిటర్న్ వాడు జంప్ అయిపోయింది వాడు భయపడ్డాడు వాడు
కాదు సార్ ఆయన 4 days నుంచి ఆప్షన్ సార్
సరే నెక్స్ట్ 6640
సార్ ఐ రోడ్ సార్
సాయినికం చూపించు
కనిపిస్తుంది
కనబడుతుంది గుడ్
ఓకే సార్
ఓకే గుడ్ నీ ముఖం చూపించు ఒకటి అరే
ఓకే సార్ ఉన్నారా సార్
నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ అనుకుంటా సరే
సరేమండి
Guys, meeting has been ended. Sir said to leave.
Leave,